To continue from the last video about simple math functions, we're going to make things a lot easier besides just replacing our math function by doing the right click and then replace. But also it might be hard to read the program, so here's how to change the text size. Go down here, we're going to change to 18, not big enough. Of course, highlight it first. There we go, a lot bigger. Okay. Now everything's bigger, more readable. Now let's right click, we're going to go ring and enum, and we're going to pick an enum, place it there. All right. Get that a little bigger. So that's stage 1. And then right click, and we are going to now edit items. All right, so what we want to do is name our functions. Then subtract after add. Then we're going to multiply. Then add a divide. Now, if we don't like the order, nice part is we can move it up. And done. Let's get the text in there. Some reason didn't. There we go. That's better. Make it bigger. All right, but how does that help us here on the block diagram? Kind of doesn't. So we're going to go into the structures and we're going to get a case structure. We're going to encompass that division. And then what we're going to do is grab that question, move it down. And we're going to connect it, the enum, to the question. Now, as you can see, it has just 2 cases. It should have 4. Kind of strange, but of course this case is wrong. So what we're going to do is we are going to replace it with subtract. And then this one, we can't help it, so we're going to have to add. Since it's the default. Now what we can do is that there's only 2 cases, so I can right click up here and then I can show the add case. I can duplicate or add case after. Here's what happens when you hit duplicate. See, it copies everything, but it's not the multiply, so we have to right click and replace and do multiply. But now we have add, subtract, multiply, but of course we're missing the divide. We can duplicate it again, but I want to show we're going to do add case after. So it's divide. So we'll go into the numeric, grab a divide, and simply wire it up. And now you'll notice that has now a filled in blank. But now we have all 4 cases. And then it's best to check because add is add, subtract is subtract, multiply is multiply, and divide is divide. Now the final thing to do is run it to see if it works like we want. So let's hit run. As we see, it is adding and subtracting. But if we don't want to do add, we are now subtracting. Now we are multiplying. And now we are dividing. Of course, that showed a flaw in the program, or actually the setup. We can't read all the numbers or all the letters. So we'll plot the boxes and try again. And it shows updating as we go. And there you have it. You have a simple math program where you don't have to replace the math functions every time to run it, and now you can just pick it.